Hey y'all, here's how to make this cute ghost using white macrame cord. So starting off is the same technique that we use for the Christmas trees that I shared with y'all. So I'm just wrapping my macrame cord around a piece of cardboard. The length of it really just depends on how long you want your ghost to be. And then we're just tying a piece of twine to secure it. So then we're just going to remove it off the cardboard, and this is how it looks. And I'm just going to cut that right down the middle. And we're going to use the same brush that we used last time just to fluff it out. And you'll also need a piece of cardboard for the base of your ghost. So this is how mine looked once I brushed it completely out. And we're going to keep the twine piece in there, but it's going to be on the back side of it. So where the piece of twine was, I wasn't able to brush it out really good, so that's the part that's going to get glued to the cardboard, and we're just going to hide that part. So once you glue that down, you can brush it out a little bit and then just flip over the front side of your ghost over top of that to cover it up. Now you can do this for both sides of it if you want to. I just did it on one side. It's all in your preference. Now we'll just trim up the excess with some scissors to make it equal on the bottom. And I'm using a wood slice for my stand, but you can use whatever you have on hand for this. You can also add some ribbon to it if you want to cover the bark. I kind of like the natural look. You honestly can't even see it once you add the ghost to it, so it really doesn't matter. It's just all in your preference with that as well. Now for the eyes, I had to get a little creative, and I'm using some tacks that I'm actually painting black with my paint pen. If you have some wooden beads or something like that that you can use instead, it may work better or be easier to glue on, but I just added a little dab of glue and then just stuck that right on to the face of our ghost. And then I also wanted to make it look like it was holding a pumpkin. So I got this little tiny pumpkin and I glued it right onto my little ghost and then just kind of like tucked the strands around it to make it look like it was holding the pumpkin. And I decided to add a little bow on top since the top of the head wasn't super round, so I just added a little something extra and also made it a little more cute. And then just to go a step further, I used my white paint pen just to do some little dots on the eyes. So this is how my little ghost turned out with and without the mouth. I think it turned out so cute. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching.